let's go to message. You click mail. Let's create a new letter or recipient instantly. We need the title, sir. We need the company name, not the names. New entry. I need new entry. New entry. Now I'm done with this. You just say okay. Now this will appear. Now you save. Now I need this. You save. Now you have to insert these things. That is the field that you entered. You start company name, you enter key. We used address 1 and we use address 2. Then title, we use the title. Now you are done. You come to finish. You say edit individual document for all to appear, for you to be able to edit. Now this appears. You could see this is the Princeway Computer College, Omuma Road, Abasa. Now when you scroll down, this is the next Express Communication. This is the net Vince Computer School, Abai. Now this is for this. Now you can now print. Remember, is a new document. They appear on new document. So you are done with the letter. You can now print without stressing yourself. That is one simple way of manage.